What's up, guys? It's Jeff over at Immortal Prints, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a screen for screen printing. And you're going to learn how to do this right now. Okay guys, let's get right into it. This is going to be a short video. Actually, I'm doing a mini series. It's going to go from the video that we're doing now to of preparing a screen, to putting on emulsion, to burning the screen, registering, basically taking you through all the steps of screen printing. So let's get this going. What I like to do is, we're going to be working with chemicals. You don't want to breathe all that in. So I use my mask, my gloves, and eye protection, because I'm going to be spraying and I don't want that to spray back in my eyes. So let me suit up. Now let's get this going. Okay, so you have your screen. You just got it. It's brand new from the factory. Now you want to wash the screen, because when you get it from the factory, they send it to you and you don't realize that there's little particles that are in. You might not see it, but there's little particles inside on the mesh of the screen. You want to get that off, because when you go to put the emulsion on it, it's not going to sit right. It's not going to be smooth, and you're probably the screen's going to get messed up somehow down the line. So you want to make sure you start with a clean screen. So what I'm going to use is, I have my degreaser, and there'll be links in the description there's a few degreasers that I use. I'm not married to one. I use a few of them. But let's get this going. So you're going to spray down the screen. You're going to use a clean scrub brush. You're going to do both sides. Now you're just going to clean the degreaser off. Other side. And that's it. That is it. What you're going to do is you're going to put it on the rack. And you're going to dry. You could force dry it. You can put the fan on to dry it. If you have a dry box, it could take you 5 minutes. If you leave it on with the fan, it could take 20 minutes. You can also pat dry it with a rag. That's basically it. So there you have it. You just learned how to clean a screen. And if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and if you want to see anything, specific, comment below. Talk to your boy. Talk to your boy. Your boy answers all questions. All right? Get out of here. You guys got something better to do. You guys got something better to do. And so do I.